In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Chrome from your Windows computer step by step. This is a quick and easy process, and it's useful if you want to remove Google Chrome completely, free up space, or switch to a different browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open the Control panel on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel into the search bar, then selecting it from the results. Once the Control Panel opens, look for the Program section. Under that section, click on Uninstall a Program. This will take you to a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Now, scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. If you have a lot of programs installed, you can also use the search or simply browse alphabetically to locate it faster. Once you see Google Chrome, click on it once to highlight it. Make sure the program is selected before moving to the next step. After Chrome is selected, look at the top of the window and click Uninstall. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. If you see a confirmation message, just click Yes or Uninstall again to continue. The uninstaller will begin removing Chrome from your computer automatically. Depending on your system, the process may take a few moments. Wait for it to finish, and once it's done, Google Chrome will be removed from your PC. If you want to make sure it's gone completely, you can check your Start menu or Installed Apps list afterward. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Google Chrome from Windows. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.